thing with the job loss is it just doesn't impact the person concerned. It has an immediate impact on the family, on relatives, on friends, etc. Namaste. Today I wanted to talk about important aspect which is kind of affecting many people, especially because of the impact that COVID has had on our country, and its economic harsh reality is starting to stare a lot of us in the face. And the concept I wanted to talk about, or at least the issue I want to talk about today, is about job losses. ये 2008 की बात है. ये 2008 में पीक ऑफ फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस हुआ था, ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस. एट दैट पीक ऑफ द ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस आई लॉस्ट माय जॉब, एंड वो भी एट गोल्डमैन सैक्स, जो कि जहाँ पे घुसना ही बहुत मुश्किल होता है. वंस आई गॉट द जॉब, Goldman decided 1.5 years later that they don't want to continue the India office for the mutual fund business, and so the team that had come together suddenly found itself without a job, and it was a very tough phase to deal with, because we had never even thought कि एक job loss का scenario हमको झेलना पड़ेगा. So the range of emotions that we all had to go through, including me and the team that I had hired, was from absolutely being at the top of the world to being at the bottom of the world. So top and bottom dono ho gaya, as Goldman announced that they want to leave the country. So at that point in time, we all decided that we will collectively take care of each other in whichever way we could, and also make an effort to go all out, use our network and all our contacts to search for jobs individually and together as a team. And so we all set out to do this. So did I. I reached out to many people, must have had 7 or 8 interviews at different places. And then I also realized at that time that Axis Mutual Fund, the last of the large institutions, was wanting to set up the mutual fund business. And I approached them, met the CEO who was recently hired out there, and started a round of interviews with them. But the difference is that while I was getting interviewed, I also made the added effort of putting together a complete business plan for Axis Mutual Fund, which was almost like a 5-year projection कि क्या करेंगे, क्या नहीं करेंगे, business numbers, etc. So उस पे मैंने काफ़ी मेहनत करी. There's a lot of effort. In fact, जो मेरी Goldman की जो team थी, people whom I had hired at Goldman and who had become part of my team, we all put this presentation together, so that it came out as a very good effort, and also it should have made sense. So finally, with God's grace and as luck would have it, Axis did offer me a job. As a result of me getting hired, few more members from Goldman could also come on to Axis. As if you remember, I told you that it was a joint decision that we'll make an effort together. And there are some learnings that I've had from that experience of losing my job first and then getting something that I really loved. The gap between the two was, in my opinion, keeping my wits about myself, going all out, meeting as many people as I could. And once I found something appropriate, something that I would love to do, the effort we all made to come together and showcase a business plan and to make it a reality, that effort was what got us, or at least me and then the team, our new jobs. Even if you're facing a job loss, even if you're in the middle of it, who knows that on the other side something is out there waiting just for you. All you need to do is make that huge, humongous effort to reach out and grab it. And that is something I learned from the one experience which I've had as far as job losses are concerned. Sometimes -2 can become +1. And I'm now speaking, like I said, from personal experience. Don't lose heart. It's not the end of the world. Who knows? It's just the start of something very beautiful. Take care and best of luck.